I've been coming to Tilden here for about 6 years now. Dependable mechanics, never had any issues with my trucks and cars, and the rates are great. I've known a lot of mechanics for a long time. They're very knowledgeable and they really know their business here. I'd recommend this place to anybody.
My name is Bob. I am the owner of Tilden Automotive and Truck. We are a full service organization. We also offer towing, full service auto repair, and we would like you to come down and talk to us. And if you have any questions, give us a call at 577-8970.